Say once again, who had an old aunt?
Juman.
Yes, option number A. Your answer is Juman. Next question, question number 3. Between whom was the arrangement done? Option A, Juman and his wife. Option B, Juman's wife and her aunt. Juman's wife and his aunt. Juman and his aunt. Between whom was the arrangement done?
Juman and his aunt.
Juman and his aunt. Option number
D.
D. Correct. Juman and his aunt. Correct. Question number 4. How did Juman and his wife harass the old aunt? By taking all her money, by beating her, by insulting her, by throwing her out of the house.
By insulting her.
Option number C. By insulting her is the correct answer. Very good. Question number 5. What is the meaning of swallowed here? Gulped, out, took tolerated.
Tolerate.
Correct answer. Tolerated. Now read this paragraph. I am reading, just listen to me. For many days, the old lady was seen taking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it off with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. Question number 1. Name the lesson. Once again, it is repeating question. Name the lesson. क्या होगा?
It's fair play only.
वही होगा. Correct है. Fair play is the correct answer. Question number 2. Who is the old lady referred to here? Juman's mother, Algu's mother, Juman's aunt, Algu's aunt.
Juman's aunt.
Correct. Juman's aunt. Question number 3. What was the reaction of the village with the old lady about her case? Reaction of the village with the old lady about her case. Some sympathized with her, some laughed at her, some advised her to adjust. All the above.
All the above.
Correct answer. All the above. Question number 4. To whom did she go for help? Juman's wife, Algu Chaudhary, to a relative, to neighborhood.
It's Algu Chaudhary.
Algu Chaudhary. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary. Correct answer. Question number 5. Give the opposite of laughed, laughed, cried, said, smiled, asked.
Cried.
Yes, opposite of laughed is cried. Correct answer. So next paragraph is given here. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Question number 1. Who cross-examined Juman? Who cross-examined Juman? Algu and others, Panchen members, Algu aunt.
Aunt.
Who cross-examined Juman? जुम्मन को किसने क्रॉस एग्जामाइन किया? अलगू और दूसरों
Algu
ने
sir.
किया, पंच मेंबरों ने किया, अलगू ने किया, आंट ने किया. ठीक से बोलो.
Algu. Algu
ऑप्शन
sir.
सी.
Yes sir.
Option C is wrong answer. Algu and others. Yet clearly given. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others.
Yes sir.
Clear word is given here. एक
Yes, sir.
फील्ड दिया हुआ है ना, अलगू एंड अदर्स, तो हमें बाकी पे जाना ही नहीं है। ओके, क्वेश्चन
Yes,
नंबर
sir.
2, what was the decision taken by the Punch to give aunt her property, to give aunt a separate kitchen, to give aunt a monthly allowance, Jumman from Algu?
To give aunt monthly allowance.
Option number C, correct answer. To give aunt a monthly allowance. Very good. Question number 3. What happened to their friendship? Became more strong. Their friendship broke. They did not care for each other. They became friends again.
Yes, sir.
What happened to their friendship? उनकी दोस्ती का क्या हुआ? बहुत ज्यादा मजबूत हो गया. Became more strong. दोनों में दोस्ती टूट गया. Their friendship broke. They did not care for each other. एक दूसरे का ख्याल ही नहीं रखे. They became friends again. फिर से दोस्त बन गए.
Sir.
Yes. What happened
Sir,
to their
they
friendship?
became friends again.
No, they became friends again नहीं हुआ है. उनका फ्रेंडशिप टूट गया था. Their friendship broke.
So at last they become friends.
At last they become friends, but here the paragraph, in this paragraph, according to this paragraph, we have to answer all the question. Here clearly given that between them was broken. The bond of friendship between them was broken. है कि नहीं यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
जो पैराग्राफ पढ़ रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से आंसर देना होता है. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम से ध्यान देना.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Who wanted to take revenge from whom? कौन किससे बदला लेना चाहता था? जुम्मन from aunt, Algu.
Human.
Jumman from Algu. Which option is correct?
Human from Algu.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी, करेक्ट आंसर. सॉरी, यहाँ पे आंसर गलत बता रहा है, बट जुम्मन फ्रॉम अलगू इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ये ऊपर वाले का आंसर बता रहा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. गिव द मीनिंग ऑफ सेल्डम. रेयरली, नेवर, समटाइम्स, नेवरलेस.
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेल्डम?
So
A barking dog seldom bites. ऐसे मुहावरा भी हुआ करता है. So what is the meaning of seldom?
rarely.
Let's see whether you no, never. Seldom means never. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's move to the next session. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. One of his fine pair of bullocks died, and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a car driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. So we have to
Yes, sir.
answer the below question according to this paragraph. So let's read question number 1. Name the lesson. A game of chance, the banyan tree, fair play, who I am. The name of the lesson
Is
yes,
sir fair play only.
fair play. Correct answer. Question number 2. What happened to Algus bullock? One bullock died, one died, and another was sold to Samju. Fair was sold to Samju. None of these.
Fair was sold to Sanju.
No. एक मर गया, दूसरे को संजू को दिया गया। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। वन डाइड एंड द अदर वाज सोल्ड टू संजू। पेयर मतलब पूरा जोड़ी, जोड़ी दोनों बैल को थोड़े ना बेचा गया था, एक ही को बेचा गया था। इक्का गाड़ी हाँकता था वो संजू साहू।
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु हैड परचेज्ड अलगूस बुलाक? अलगू के बुलाक को किसने खरीदा था? जुम्मन, आर्ट, संजू, पंच मेंबर।
Sanju.
समझू, समझू ने खरीदा था, करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाट हैपेंड टू द सेकंड बुलाक? दूसरे बैल का क्या? हेलो,
Sir, D1.
हेलो,
Yes, sir.
व्हाट आर यू टेलिंग?
Sir, D1.
Without reading the question, you are confirmed that the option D is correct. Here the question is what happened to the second bullock, and your answer is the bullock died within a month. Answer is correct. Very good. You are so confident. Question number 5. Give the meaning of tight spot. Tight spot. Difficult situation, easy situation, tight.
Difficult, sir.
Option A is correct. Difficult situation. So let's read another paragraph. Read yourself.
Yes, sir. Mommy.
Read loudly.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you read it
सर
out?
माइक ऑफ हो गया था, मैं आधा पढ़ ली।
Okay. So let's you listen. I am reading. Soon after Juman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a Panch. A Panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. So let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the doubt of misunderstanding between them. Question number 1, the name of the lesson is fair play. And this question number 2, today I realized what it meant to be a Panch. Who said this to whom? किसने किसको कहा? Juman to Algu, Samju to Algu, Algu to Juman, Algu to Samju. Tell me. Hello. Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
Keep your mic on and answer my questions.
Yes, sir.
What should be the answer? Today I realized what it meant to be a Panch. Who said this to whom?
Sir, Algu said to Juman.
Algu said to Juman is 100% incorrect. Wrong answer. Juman said to Algu is correct. Option number A. Don't confuse. Question number 3.
Yes,
What
sir.
did Juman realize? What did Juman realize? Juman realized that responsibility of a friend, responsibility of a judge, responsibility of none of these.
Sir, friend D1.
The option B is correct answer. Responsibility of a judge. Question number 4. Who embraced his friend? Samju, the author, the member of a Panch, Algu.
Yes, sir.
Who embraced?
Sir, Algu.
Correct. Algu embraced his friend. Correct answer. Question number 5. Read loudly.
Give the meaning of debate.
क्या बोले इसको? डेविएट, डेविएट,
Debate,
डेविएट।
sir.
हाँ, डेविएट का मीनिंग बताओ।
Sir,
यस,
Sir, debate only.
Move away from, deviate or violate or hate.
Sir. Sir, Sir, violent.
Violate.
Sir, no, sir, debate only, debate only.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए, मूव अवे फ्रॉम, मतलब जिस रास्ते से जा रहे हो ना उस रास्ते से हट जाना, वो हो गया मूव अवे फ्रॉम। डेविएट, डेविएट का तो डेविएट होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, बी टू बी सेम मीनिंग है, बट यहाँ पे मीनिंग
Yes,
आपको
sir.
पता है ना, सो मूव अवे फ्रॉम इज द करेक्ट आंसर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, नेक्स्ट paragraph. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale. But what could he do? The moment Juman became head punch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought, no, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Question number 1. Whose name did Sahu suggest as a head punch? साहू ने किसको हेड पंच सजेस्ट किया था? जुम्मन, ए पंच मेंबर, अलगू और जुम्मन फ्रेंड।
Sir.
यस,
Sir, Juman.
करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What made Algu nervous? That Juman will not help him? That he would be punished by Panchayat? That he would not get justice? None of these.
He would not get justice.
No. Yes, yes, correct, correct. That he would not get justice is the correct answer. This made Algu nervous. Question number 3. What did Juman realize? Taking revenge from Algu? Dignity of his
Juman.
post? The feeling of friendship? The feeling of enmity?
Yes.
Which
Yes,
option is
sir.
correct?
Friendship, dignity.
Yes.
The feeling of enmity.
No, the dignity of his post. जिस पद में वो उसको रखा गया, हेड पंच बनाया गया, उस पद का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को समझा वो कि मैं मुखिया हूँ सभी पंचों का, मैं अपना व्यक्तिगत समस्या को यहाँ पे नहीं ला सकता, यहाँ पे मेरे को बस न्याय करना है, मैं जो बोलूंगा वो भगवान का कहा हुआ है, ऐसा वो रियलाइज करता है वहां पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर
Yes, sir.
4. What did he decided to do? क्या तय करता है करने के लिए? To take revenge from Algu, to punish, to take advice from his friend, to do justice. क्या करने वाला था वो?
Yes, sir.
बोलो।
Sir,
To
revenge from Algu.
गलत आंसर यहाँ पे, वो बस अभी न्याय करना चाहता था आखिरी में इस पैराग्राफ में, टू डू जस्टिस।
सर पर पहले वो तो सर
पहले
रिवेंज
था
लेना
ना, मैं
चाहते थे।
आपको बता दिया हूँ, आपको ये जो पैराग्राफ हम लोग पढ़ पढ़ के कर रहे हैं ना, इसी में से उसका आंसर निकालना है, ठीक?
यस सर।
हाँ हाँ, अभी अभी चलो बोलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. गिव द मीनिंग ऑफ डिग्निटी। डिग्निटी का अर्थ क्या है?
डिग्निटी, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी।